If you want to make money like this channel who make $14,000 per month, then today I show you how you can make money like this channel. That's only a guess. They might make a bit more or less, as I'll show you in this video. I've simply chosen this channel as an example. So in this video, I'll teach you how to make $25,000 per month without filming anything or showing your face by simply copying and pasting other people's films. Before we begin, please like this video on this channel because we discuss strategies to make money on YouTube. If you subscribe to this channel, you will be the first to know when I post a new MakeCash YT approach, and you will make the most money. So let's get started with our video on how to make $25,000 every month by simply copying and pasting other people's films. Then let's start. Step 1 is to find the topic. Then I show you cars topic channels. Now you can see first channel is Viral Vehicles. They got 251,000 subscribers. And they upload only cars topic videos. Car topic videos most popular on YouTube. And you can see that their views is 30,000 to 100,000 views on every videos. Simply they show cars facts. Now if we see their stats in SocialBlade, their last 30 days views is 78,000. And you can see their monthly estimate is $20 to $313. Ideal Car is the second channel who make cars topic videos. And their subscribers is 775,000. And you can see their views on every videos is almost 30,000 to 50,000 views. They also show facts about cars. Now see their stats on SocialBlade. And you can see their last 30 days views as 3 million plus views, which is very big amount. And their monthly estimate earnings is about $813 to $13,000, which is very huge earning. Now you can see their daily videos views is almost 1 million to 2 million views. You can also get this amount of views. Now step 2. Step 2 is to find the script. Now go to the Google and search, top 10 cheap cars that will make you look rich. And you can open any link website. I open the first one. Now you can see that this website show all the cars and with details and names. They show which is number 1 car and which car is at number 2 with details and with pictures. You can get the script from this websites with all details. Now step 3 is to find the video. Now you can go the Pixabay website and search the car name which you find the video. Now search the car name and you can use any one of the image for your video use. Because this the free copyright footages and images. If you cannot find any video, then you can use Storyblock website where you can find free copyright videos very easily. Now step 4 is to find the audio. You can get the audio from Audio Library, which is free copyright. Now step 5 to upload a video.